but if you close your eyes.
Chicken teriyaki. Ingredients: chicken breast, teriyaki sauce, water, rice, sesame seeds. Deep fry 1 pound of chicken breast for 3 minutes. On a frying pan, put 1 scoop of teriyaki sauce. Add 1½ scoop of water. Heat the pan. And wait until it boils. Remove the chicken breast and put it into the pan. Fry the other side of the chicken breasts. Let it boil and simmer. Prepare a cup of rice in a bowl. Remove the chicken breast from the pan. And place it at the top of the rice. Then put the remaining thick sauce. Season it with sesame seeds.